Hello there and welcome to tutorial 6 of the Half-Life 2 Beginners tutorials. Today we will be working on water, which is what I have been getting a lot of replies for, and people asking me to make a tutorial for it since it's not that easy to make. I shall be showing you how to make water today. Okay, so first of all, let's try and make an area which the water can be in. I'm just going to be making a little area like this, so that the water can get in. Whoops. Alright, here's a little area which the water will be in. What I could do is I can try and drop it as well. This will make it so that I'll be able to show you how the player can like swim underneath it. It's very easy to tell, but you never know, some people might not know about it. Alright, here we go. First of all, let's start with the actual brush. Let's create a block where we want the water to be, which will be where the player wants to swim up and down and backwards and forth and so on, which would be so that it's actually touching the floor. Connect it up to every side. Okay, that's good. Now what we need is the no draw texture. Apply it to every single face except for the top, which is what we will be changing now. This will be what the player can see as the water on the top. So what we'll do is we will type in water as the texture. I'll be going for water beneath 2. You can choose any texture you want, like these blue ones here. Just click apply. Oh. See, now some textures will end up coming up like this, how it'll be completely invisible. Try not to use those types of textures. Try and get one that looks a bit like this, how you can see the reflection when you just sort of hover above it and on an angle. Okay, now that's the water. That's all that is a brush which the player can fall through at the moment. It's not water at the moment, so what we shall do is create an entity, which is a water LOD control. Just pop that on the top, and now the water is now water, so the player can swim through it now. If you like some maps, you can put in a cube map. Just place that on the top, go into its properties, click on brush faces, click pick, and click on the water texture that's on the top, and it'll come up with a few numbers. Mine's 205, but it could be something different to you. That's just like the face that's on the brush. Okay, so that's the water. That's the water all made. But more than likely, some of you will end up getting some problems, like the water is duplicating everything that you can see on your screen. It'll be like looking outside the map, like seeing all this blackness when you're inside the game, where it starts distorting the player's view. Now that's because you didn't put a waterlog control on top, or your map has errors in it. Now I will eventually end up doing a tutorial on leaks, but it'll be a while away. Leaks are things like the inside of the map can see outside and the outside can see in, if you know what I mean. Things like that, as well as having entities outside the map, like having a ladder or anything outside the map that isn't contained. It's a bit like in the real world, if you had water inside of a bucket that had a hole in it, that water would start leaking out and start going everywhere. So try not to have the inside see anything outside, or the outside have anything inside. Okay, now let's give this a go and see what happens. Alright, here's our map, and here's our water. Now you can swim through it, shoot it, do whatever you want with it. Okay, have fun making water, and good luck. Don't forget to check out the forums at wireframemaps.com/forums. I'll be looking forward to seeing your maps that you've been making. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll see if I can answer them. And yeah, I'll catch you later. See ya.